How to spray paint a garage door. Gosh, it's actually easier than you think. So what you want to do is come in first with a scourer and some sugar soap and really clean down the surface. It's crazy how much bits of dirt and debris build up on the surface, even when it looks clean. Make sure you hose it down and let it dry again before you come in with anything else. We've used masking film around the edges here and then masking tape over the handles. And once we were confident that everything was covered, that we didn't want paint on, we've gone in with our primer over the metal surface and given that a nice even coat. And once that was dry, we could then come in with our woodland grey. So we've used 2 coats of this, and we've made sure that we're using a thin, light sort of level of spray, and that makes it buildable. And you allow it to dry in between so that you don't get any drips. But this is the finished product, and we're thrilled with how it turned out and really can't believe how fast it was.